found out that our seaboat was being submerged. Now the boys are emptying the trash can and pails. I don't want to tell them I'm here. They'll think I'm being rude for not helping them. This is just a little of what we've been going through this week.